Today's app is called Action Dash, Screen Time Helper. And it does an excellent job of breaking down just how much you use your phone every day by helping you bring self-awareness to how often you use your phone. And it will go into great detail showing you peak usage by apps throughout a given day. So your phone may already offer some of these features, so this app may not be for you. But I think it does a better job than the settings in my app that show the app usage, like info on each individual app launches, how many app notifications are sent through the day. It'll even tell you how many times you unlock your phone. Now again, this is information that your phone might already do, and this app is not for everybody. What sets this app apart is that it gives you the options to help limit yourself to controlling how much screen time you actually use. For instance, if Facebook is your weakness, this app will allow you to self-govern yourself and choose only the amount of time that you feel that you need to be on there. It's totally customizable. You can set hard limits or soft limits depending on your individual needs. Once the app is installed and you reach your limit, you will receive a message like this on your screen, notifying you reached your daily limit and you won't be using Facebook for the rest of the day. The goal of this app is to help you self-govern just how much screen time you have on your device every day. And even though for myself, I don't think I'll be keeping this app because I just don't think it was for me, but I was still surprised to find out just how much I did use my phone every day. And you probably will be too. So try this app for free. Download it today on Google Play.